Hello, everyone. This is Speaking Club in English, Talks&it. This Speaking Club was created to unite IT specialists, practice English, and just have a great time. Mock interview with a cool recruiter, which will now take place on the third Saturday of every month. And I want to say thank you guys for not being afraid to participate and coming. Special thanks to Igor, Alicia, and Artem. A little about us. My name is Darya. I'm the host of this meeting. I'm QA specialist. We also have a producer, Wladислав Казачек. Hello, Wladислав, if you see that. And with me, Jансая is a recruiter with experience working with international companies, our speaker of the Mock Interview Club, participant of the podcast and the Speaking Club. Jансaya, you can start.
Hello, guys. Nice to be here. Thank you for coming. Thanks for your interest in. And today we have a mock interview with me. First of all, I want to say don't be afraid. Just relax. Just be yourself. I think that the first will be start Alessia, then Egor, and continue Artem. How do you think? Is it okay for you?
Okay, thank you. I am turn off my camera because little bad connect.
Okay, I think yes. Okay, thank you. I think that it's not a problem. So we can start.
Okay, thank you. My name is Alessia. I have experience of business analysis for IT, and I have 2 years experience. My job about gathering requirements, and I had to attentive to details and a lot of communication with people and business customs. I have learned UML and BPML modeling processing, and I know IT architecture. I can to read. I can to read scope and vision, project and specification. But I don't good speak English, and I also learn English because I want to work with English stakeholders. I verified. Also, I am verification software, and I also testing releases before установка before version in prod. Maybe it is all what I can speak about myself. Thank you very much.
Alessia, thank you very much. It was nice. Could you tell me more about your product?
I have no one product. I have a lot of product. It is a modification software which people use, with people I use, and new products. A new product, it is to software modification, but requirements I gathered about I gathered in product owner, and it is integration to systems where one system can give other information, or can give each other information. It is extend letters which can without people go to destination.
Okay, I got it. Could you tell me more about what integrations by IP? Which is integrations is?
IP have one service with methods. And this is method suppose передавать, can turn to give format JSON with attributes. And this is
okay, got it. And you talk about architecture. Could you tell me which architecture do you use?
Architecture, I know about software which I work because I know because I had experienced work with it is software. Software used were some models and some models have features, properties, but
maybe you can tell me about microservice or yes, I mean about this architecture.
Don't work with microservices.
Okay, I get it. But resume, could you tell me about stacks that you worked? About database, SQL. I heard about email BPMN. Maybe you know coding language. If you don't, it's okay. But maybe you have knowledge. So, Alessia, we don't hear you.
I know.
Alessia have some problems with connection, I see. Alessia, say something,
I
please.
hear.
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's okay.
No basic knowledge about SQL. I can write select about select from where and description where I know color and I know UML. I know UML diagram, sequence diagram, diagram, precedents, сущность, связь. Sorry.
Okay, I got it. It's okay.
And other.
Okay, I got it. Alessia, could you tell me why are you looking new opportunities?
Because I have experience only 2 years on my job, this place, and I love to very much my job, and I would you like know about my job more, and in my job now I have any wall about new or new things, and I think new job would me new experience and new opportunity with new people.
Okay, I got it. What new knowledge do you want to get?
I want new knowledge in integration system in system integrations and system analysis, because I have analysis now in my job. I want new knowledge. Very want. Oh,
Okay.
sorry, it is mistake. I don't. Oh, I want a lot of.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, I think that the last question will be about when will you be able to start if you have a job offer.
I could.
Okay, Alice, we don't hear you.
Because I ended my because I will end my contract 15 November.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. It was nice. Yes, it was nice to know about you. And what will I say about how could I resume your mock interview? First of all, thank you to be brave to come here, and I will recommend you more to know more about your project and his goals about the projects, yes, and the result that you've done in your project. Because I've heard a little bit about this, but in your role, it's a huge project. Yes, business analysts, they are working on projects, and I think that you should know about a project more and could tell to recruiter. The another aspect is about pay attention to these stacks, architecture, methods, I don't know, notations, integrations, and so on, because in your work it's very important. And pay attention when you're talking about yourself. Also, you can
Thank you.
add, yes, also you can add the cases with working with your stakeholders, because it's important, and with your team, you could add some more information about your team. Do you understand this structure about how to tell about yourself in the interview?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So the next candidate is Igor. Igor? Yes.
Hello, everyone. A funny story. When I filled the form to this interview, I didn't expect that it will be in English. I don't know
Really?
what I expected from English-speaking club, but as expected. So sorry for my English if it will be not so good.
Okay, Igor. Don't be worried. Just relax. Be yourself. We come here to practice our English, and it's absolutely okay. Please don't be shy. Okay. I want to know about. Thank you for coming, and I want to know about yourself, about you, as much as possible. More information, okay? And I'm going to lead our conversation. First of all, I want to ask some question about your experience, okay? And I'm also going to take some notes. If it's not disturbing you, I think that we could start. Okay. Let's start with tell about yourself interview question. So you can start.
Okay, thank you. I'm working as a business analyst about 3 years. I worked about 2 years at my previous job at a company that implements systems that help people to manage their documentation, and to the company as a subject matter expert in my field, because I worked as activist about 5 years before the job, before I became a business analyst. So the main the main task of this job was to implement our system to our clients, and I interviewed our clients about why they want to use our system, how it be used, and then
Sorry, Igor. Sorry, I interrupt you. Can you try to out your, sorry, I don't know how it's say, and try to say something without they.
Igor, if it's not a problem, could you please start again? Yes.
Yeah, sorry for connection problem. So, as I said, I work as a business analyst about 3 years. I experienced work as a business analyst at 2 companies. At my previous job, I used to implement a system for documentation management, and my task was to interview our clients for know about how they want to use our system, for what they want to use it, how many people, and other questions. Then I customize our system to clients' needs, do the user study, and sometimes create user instructions. There's the user documentation, how they will use it. Also, I participate in development of schablons and reporting form for our systems. It includes discovering requirements from our customers, then creating terms of reference and testing when it was development from our developers. After that, I used to implement this solution with our customer, and if it's okay, study user how to work with it. Also, I was invited to this company as a subject matter expert and at archive field, because I worked as archivist about 5 years. So my previous company wanted to develop their own archive for electronic documents, and I was invited to help as a specialist at this field to improve users' experience at this program, at this app. Now I'm working at companies that sell electronics, and my main job at this company to participate in changing at our website, to sorry.
Just to
integrate our website with our ERP system, and make changes at our ERP systems and change workflow for most all business process at our company. So I not only IT business analyst, and also just business analyst that improve our business process. So first of all, my main project was protecting personal data protection. I used to change our website for protect personal data of our customers that maybe use our website, and improve our website to be in order of our country laws in this field. Also, I participate in integration of our website with websites of Catalog Online, and changes at our ERP systems that connected with it. At my job, I use BPMN annotation to descript business processes, but also I know UML annotation, but prefer to use BPMN. I use Figma to create prototypes of solutions, and not only static prototypes. And to create diagrams, I use Provio. Requirements I create as use cases to set in the development task to my colleagues. And after development solutions, I test in the solution before they be delivered to production. Maybe you have questions.
Yes, thank you very much. And what about database notations, SQL?
I have basic knowledge about SQL, but don't use it at my work. I also have basic knowledge of databases because I use attributes from databases of ERP system and databases of our website to integrate there. But I don't have access to databases, so I only use it when I can find it at our company documentation, or if I ask our developers that have actual access, and they can help me find information.
Okay, I got it. Could you tell me about maybe you could tell me about operations that you used?
What do you mean, operations?
I mean about запросы. Select where you use.
I don't use SQL, but I know about delete, select, join, and maybe that's all. But I don't use SQL because I don't have access to databases.
Okay, yeah, thank you. I got it. Could you tell me about your ideal work environment?
Ideal work environment for me, it's when we have documentation about business processes, but at my experience, it's some idealistic goal. It's colleagues that can help me, and if they need my help, I can do it without spending more time to make their job for them, and maybe it's environment where I can improve my skills, teach new skills, and use it almost every time, because when you don't use some knowledge, it will just pass away.
Okay, got it. Just cycling back to work with stakeholders. Could you tell me about maybe you have the situations when stakeholders don't know, they don't have documentations, I mean, and how you are dealing, how you help to your stakeholders? Do you have these situations before?
Almost all my experience, just like that, when there is no documentation, so it's observation, interview about how it should work and how it actually works, and I create sometimes documentation because it doesn't exist.
You create by your own.
After I discover this process, I can, with this experience, create some documentation.
Okay. Okay, got it. I see that now I don't have any questions. Thank you very much. Yes, how you feel? Was it difficult?
Maybe, yes, I was too nervous to find the right words, because when I prepared this interview, in my head it was much better than it actually is. So I want to say thank you for this experience. I think that it can really help me in future to be better in interviews such this, to improve my English skills. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. And about your presentation, I think that everything is okay because when I asked you answer the questions that I have and what could I add? I think that, like I said to Alessia, you could tell more information about working with your team. Maybe you have some cases with problems, and what did you do to don't have a problem? Yes. What else? Maybe. Some recruiters ask question about what could you bring to company, and pay attention to this question by telling about yourself, what could you bring, show your achievements, your strong knowledge, yes, and by your resume, I will add some more information, okay? Just in case, because when we are searching, we are looking your LinkedIn profile, and these words like integration, notations, diagrams, I don't know, architect is helping us to find you and to read about you. Okay, by first checking. It's my advice. Okay.
Thank you. I think that LinkedIn is my actual Achilles heel, and I hope that I can make it better at near future.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, our next candidate is Artyom. Artyom.
Hello.
Nice to see you. Hello.
Me too.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm okay. So, now we are starting an interview with you. Like it was with our candidates before, yes, with Alessia and Igor. I'm just starting a conversation with asking a question like, tell me about yourself, and then the question I will ask by your answering, okay?
Yep.
Okay, we can start. Could you tell me about yourself, please?
Well, my name is Artyom. I'm front-end developer. I have been working as front-end developer for more than 2 years now. Before I had working as system administrator for 6 years. But then I decided to change my career to development because it is more interesting and promising. Well, I'm self-taught developer who started career from scratch. In my current company, during the 2 years, I had actively contributed into 10 different projects because my company is outsourced company, and yeah, I have ability to change projects. Well, my current stack is React plus TypeScript. Yeah, I think that's short about myself.
Okay, thank you very much. It was a nice introduction. Could you tell me about your most interesting project for you?
Well, all of my projects was interesting, but I think the most interesting was the previous one. It was application to scan QR code and link telematic devices to trailers, and it was we used progressive web application. It was new for me, and and it was very interesting for me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, could you tell me maybe how long have you been work on this project, about your team, about the goals of projects, and about the results?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it was a bit short project. It took 2 months, I think. Yes, around 2 months. We had a full team. I mean, we have a business analyst. We have QA. We have front end and manager. I enjoyed to work in this team. Each member was wonderful. Especially, I loved how worked business analyst because she made very strict criteria acceptance, and she quickly gathered information from customers. The goal of project was we had telematic system for trailers, and goal of our project was to link a telematic device to trailers, and it helps operators to make it easily and smoothly. I think that's all about this project.
Okay, I got it. Could you tell me about why are you looking for new opportunities, new job?
I think I would like to get new experience and face new challenges, to work with new teams. But yes, the main reason is to get new experience and grow my developer experience.
Mm-hmm. And where do you want to grow?
I would like to stay in front-end development yet, because there are a lot of cool stuff what I would like to learn in React, especially. Yes, and I would like to gain experience in teamwork. Yes, I think that's all.
Okay, I will ask a question like, where do you want to grow, or what will be important for you in your next team, next work?
First of all, I think I would prefer working, in full team, which includes business analyst, manager, backend, frontend, QA, and in designer, of course, because it is really cool when you have designers to develop. I think I would like to have a team which, each member has good relation with other members. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you very much. And the next question: when will you able to start? If you had a job offer.
Well, I have a standard notice period for 2 weeks.
Mhm.
Well, and after that, I think I'm ready. After 2 weeks, and maybe it depends on how as yes, I think it's 2 weeks. It is standard notice period, and I can start when.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Maybe you have something to add.
I think no. I think that's pretty all.
Okay. Thank you. So. Thank you very much. I think that we, yes. What can I say that I liked your presentation, and just asking, maybe you have, maybe you feel something that you could do better or add, by your opinion.
What do you mean in interview or in
Yes.
job? Interview.
Yeah, in interview.
Well, first of all, I need not to be so nervous, and yes, I think I need to pay attention more on technical details in my job, on interaction in team. Yes, and I think that's the main point.
Okay, thank you. Yes, in your answering the questions, pay attention to, like I said before, yes, about the project, about the results, about how you do, and about the techniques that you used. Also, working in international companies, they like when you're talking about the team, how you work with your team, about cases. Okay, maybe because for them it's important, and just you could ask by Google, ask to Google behavior interview questions and prepare yourself, because by our mock interview I couldn't ask about these questions. We have time, yes, and I'm not working with special role, but when you are applying to a role and special recruiter from the company, they have these questions, and how you present yourself, they have another questions that just when you are talking about yourself, and then they could ask about you more details. I said. Okay, I think that's all. I don't have anything to add. Darya?
Okay, guys, I think it's really was interesting, and you are so great, and you are so brave, and I would to say everything not to be not perfect, cannot perfect. cannot perfect, and everybody a little bit nervous, and it's normal. And not please not nervous, and please not worry about your mistakes, because you make a first step in your way to be better, and you just practice English, and you just try. Okay, guys, I just remind that we have a Telegram channel where we publish announcements. Please subscribe. Please, sorry, not please. Everyone is welcome. We are waiting for everyone, and we wish you career success, and see you again. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.
Bye,
See you
thank you.
soon.